Hey everybody, it's Joel. Hey, this Sunday we're going to talk about how to read the Bible. We're going to talk about what the Bible is. We're going to talk about what the story of the Bible is. You know, some of Jesus' earliest followers, called apostles, they composed new literary works about the story of Jesus. They called these good news, or the gospel. In these gospels, we're introduced to a man that comes from the lineage of kings, of Israel's kings. He confronts that dark, evil being that all of humanity up until this point has given into. Only in his case, he's able to overcome it. He comes and he gives God's definition for good and evil. That real power is serving others. You see, according to Jesus, people who love the poor, and even people who love their enemies, are a type of people who actually rule in this world. It's only because of sin and man's acceptance of sin that we have conflict in this world. You see, these Gospels culminate in the fact that Jesus is God. He is God become human to be for Israel and all of humanity what we could never be for ourselves. He came to take the consequences for our sin. And that sacrifice proved to be more powerful than the evil man had given into time and time again. It proved to be even more powerful than death itself. If you'd like to learn more, won't you come join us this Sunday at 10 a.m. for Bible class and 11 a.m. for worship.